Future Megan here. I forgot to record this, but we were actually on our way to a Build-A-Bear inside a Walmart, so enjoy!
Soft, firm, or in the middle?
Firm, please.
Oh my god, he's perfect. He's perfect. Hard, is it?
He's perfect.
That's good. And then what kind of heart did you want to put inside? Cancer heart? So you're going to take it right, and you're going to shake it till you get the heart, shake it, and then rub it on your hands. Then you get a nice strong heartbeat, and rub it on your back. So your cow always has your back. And rub it on your nose. So your cow knows how much you love them. And rub it on your knees. So your cow will always need you. And rub it on your toes. So it's totally awesome, just like you. And whenever you're done, you can hold it against your heart and make a wish. Good. And everything's done. There you go.
Oh my god, I love it.
Any accessories?
Yes.
They're all going to be on the walls over there. Everything fits it, even the shoes.
Okay. They got a cow. Just look at him. Does he need feet? Shoes?
Yes. Shoes. Get him some shoes. The milk and cookies, I guess.
He's a cow. He's got to drink milk. I want like cute green shoes, you know?
Green? I don't see green.
In your opinion, how cute would this be? The brown shoes, maybe?
Huh?
The brown shoes, maybe?
Try the brown shoes. Oh, there you go. Red and green.
Okay.
What, Megan?
Huh?
What, Megan?
This were...
At a heartbeat?
Maybe. That's skin? Okay. What should I name him? Mooey?
Huh?
He is so cute. They dress him, I think.
Do you want me to dress it for you?
Yes, please.
I like your nails, by the way.
Thank you.
And do y'all want y'all's receipt?
No, I think we're good.
Y'all have a nice night.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Got my cows.
Thank you.
Oh, wait. What is it?
Hmm?
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?